Good evening.
Good evening.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
What are you doing?
I am waiting for someone.
What's your name?
My name is Kevin.
Where are you from?
I am from Los Angeles.
How old are you?
I am 22 years old.
What do you do?
I am a singer.
Where do you live?
I live in Miami.
Are you married?
No, I am not married yet.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a teacher.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Alex.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have an older sister.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Amos.
Are you free now?
Yes, I am free now.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read books.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is white.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna.
How was your day?
It was good, thank you.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I am going to visit my friends.
What did you have for breakfast?
I had toast and eggs.
What time is it?
It is 8 p.m.
Can you help me with this?
Yes, of course.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 123-456-7890.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I like it very much.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak French.
Where is the nearest supermarket?
It is 2 blocks away.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling.
What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to the park.
How do you spend your evenings?
I usually watch TV or read a book.
Do you have a car?
Yes, I have a car.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Inception.
Do you like cooking?
Honestly, I am not interested in cooking.
How do you spend your weekends?
I go hiking or meet friends.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, 3 times a week.
What's your favorite place in the city?
the downtown coffee shop.
Have you tried any new restaurants lately?
Yes, a great Italian place.
What are you watching on TV?
A crime thriller series.
Do you prefer cooking or baking?
Baking, especially cookies.
What's the best vacation you've had?
Japan, for its culture and food.
Do you work from home or the office?
Mostly from home.
How do you commute?
I drive to work.
What's your favorite way to relax?
A hot bath and music.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
Coffee, for energy.
Do you have any travel plans this year?
Visiting Europe in the summer.
What's something new you've learned?
Playing the guitar.
Do you prefer books or movies?
Books, for imagination.
What do you usually do in the evenings?
Reading or Netflix.
What's your favorite dessert?
Chocolate cake.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
Do you have a hobby?
Yes, I collect stamps.
What is your favorite fruit?
I like apples.
Do you like to swim?
Yes, swimming is fun.
Do you like to go shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What is your favorite snack?
I like popcorn.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
I love chocolate ice cream.
What is your favorite animal?
I like dogs.
Do you like to dance?
Yes, dancing is fun.
Do you prefer the beach or the mountains?
I prefer the mountains.
Do you like rainy days?
Yes, I like the sound of rain.
What is your favorite vegetable?
I like carrots.
Do you use a computer or phone more?
I use my phone more.
What color is your car?
My car is red.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, singing is fun.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 10 p.m.
What is your favorite holiday?
I like New Year.
Do you enjoy going to the movies?
Yes, I love watching movies in the theater.
Do you like to visit museums?
Yes, I find them interesting.
What is your favorite meal of the day?
I like dinner the most.
Do you prefer sweet or savory foods?
I prefer sweet foods.
Do you like to travel by plane?
Yes, traveling by plane is exciting.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I like to grow flowers.
What is your favorite fast food?
I love hamburgers.
Do you like to go to the beach?
Yes, I enjoy the beach very much.
Do you prefer early mornings or late nights?
I prefer late nights.
What is your favorite flower?
I like roses.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What is your favorite type of weather?
I like sunny weather.
What is your favorite type of pizza?
I like pepperoni pizza.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it is my first time.
How long will you stay?
I will stay for 1 week.
Do you need any help with directions?
Yes, I need help finding the bus station.
Where is the nearest ATM?
It is around the corner.
What kind of food do you like to eat?
I like trying local dishes.
Do you speak the local language?
No, I speak only a little.
What time does the museum open?
It opens at 9 a.m.
Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please call one for me.
Where can I buy a ticket?
You can buy a ticket at the counter.
How much does the ticket cost?
The ticket costs $10.
Is it safe to walk here at night?
Yes, it is safe.
What souvenirs should I buy?
You should buy local crafts.
Where is the Tourist Information Center?
It is next to the main square.
Do you have a map of the city?
Yes, here is a map for you.
What activities do you recommend?
I recommend taking a city tour.
Have a nice sleep.
Good night.